Okay, we are doing Dmr E number 4. We are going to round to the nearest thousandth. Again, we are focusing on where is the thousandth place. So I'm going to say tens, ones, tenths, tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So this 0 is my thousandths place. That means I need to look next door at the 9 to determine if I change that 0 to a 1 or if it stays the same. Well, according to our rule, that is 9 is more than 5, so I have to round up. So 32 and 781 thousandths is the answer. Key concept, please make sure that you have written your key concept in here. The digit to the right of the place value determines what happens when rounding. 5 or more, round up. 4 or less, stays the same. Again, this should be review, but I think the biggest struggle that we've had or that I've experienced is students don't know where their place values are. So if that means you need to go back and tenths, hundredths, thousands, 10,000s, then you do so. If you need to label it, you need to look around the room, whatever, but you need to know your place values. Reflection. I know that I need to make sure that I round to the correct place value. I think that I've been saying that in about every single one of these. So, oops, there we go. Go push pause if you need to copy these things, but that's what we're doing. We're going to move on to the bottom where we are doing cross multiplication. So the key concept is the cross product of a proportion are equal. In order to multiply, make sure that I can type where I'm supposed to type. Definitely do not want to be size 24. Make it maybe 14. There we go. So to cross multiply, I'm going to go across the n and the 71. 71 and 3/10 times n equals 43.7 times 43.7 times the 3 and 1/10. Oh, it's not there. 3.1. So the 73 or 71 and 3/10 will be multiplied by n, and that will equal whatever 43.7 and 3 and 1/10 is. So let's push clear. I'm going to do 43 and 7/10 times 3 and 1/10, and I get 135.47 All right, so the next step that you have to do is you're going to have to divide. So I don't want to write it. So you will divide both sides by this 71.3 so that you can eliminate and isolate that variable. That shouldn't be new. That's things that we have. I'm going to use that calculator. 135 and 47 divided by 71 and 3/10 is 1.9. So my answer is n equals 1 and 9/10. So reflection. I use cross multiplication to solve the proportion. Oh, I don't like that. So let's try something else. I use cross multiplication to eliminate variable or the fractions. Then use inverse operations to solve. That should be it for today.